Hey subbies! Here are some tips and tricks to make library visits fun. Before we get into the video, give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below, click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of the awesome videos that I have coming your way. Let's get into these wonderful tips to make the library fun. A first tip I have for you is to check out your bookshelves that you have at home, because I am sure there are many books there that you don't read anymore. Put them in a bag with you so the next time you go to the library you can donate them to your library, because donations are an amazing thing to do. There is nothing more kind, nothing more thoughtful. And another wonderful tip I have is check your local library for events that they have coming, because I've noticed a lot of libraries that will do events such as they'll do things that are related to Star Wars. They'll have a event where they show about 3D printing. They have an event there where they have storytellers sitting there telling stories to young children there, so they have everything that would be an interest to anyone, which is a really neat thing to be able to see that it caters to the community so well. A third tip I have for you for making the library fun is when you go to the library, see if they have any kind of contests going on there that you can be a participant in. I've seen my local library having a contest where if teenagers read a certain amount of books, they can get rewarded with prizes like video game systems. They can get rewarded with a cute library tote bag for reading a certain amount of books, so that they keep track of their using stickers on charts there that they're given at the library. That is a fun way to get into reading and to never put down a stinking book again. I hope these tips and tricks will make your library visits lots more fun. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below, and leave a comment there as to what your favorite tips are there that make your library visits a lot of fun. I'd love to know. And check out my Amazon affiliate links in the description box below. I love using my Amazon Basics tripod. It makes filming super easy, super fun, and a must-have there because it comes with an adorable bag that makes it wonderful for vloggers on the go. And I love using my new MacBook Air. It makes filming fast, easy, and fun because I can get to that excellent editing so much more quickly, and it is an all-in-one beautiful piece of machinery that I couldn't be happier to own. I love it. And I also love using my iPhone 6s, which I'm also going to link in an Amazon affiliate link in the description box below. It is the best phone that I have owned. It is fast, reliable, and makes using the phone a lot more fun. I love it. I can't wait to see you in my next video, subbies. Until then, sensational smiles go for miles. Be sure to subscribe and stay a while. See you in my next video. Bye, subbies!